Stop. Dedicate the next 40 seconds for your child. Are your kids distracted? Are they always on their phone? If yes, then it's time to give them the right distraction. See, distractions are good. Everyone needs a break, isn't it? But for this new generation, this has taken the shape of screen time, which is mostly unproductive, violent games, YouTube videos, etc. But worry not. Now you can turn this unproductive screen time into a productive one by enrolling your kids in the Kaabil Kids Chess program. Playing chess has immense benefits, and we at Kaabil Kids provide a safe, convenient, and fun learning environment for our kids to learn in a group and develop social skills as well. I'm International Grandmaster Tejas Bakre, and if you want your child to become a chessboard under my guidance, here's your chance. Click on the button and book your live demo now.